Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today I'm going to show you another case of typically very bad install. So we're actually installing a dash camera in this vehicle, and while we started taking apart the dash to run connections for positive, negative, and accessory, we've noticed that there was something installed here previously. We're not sure what it is. We're going to follow it soon and see what it is, but we just want to show you how the ground is connected. So we have here the ground wire, and it's a little bit hard to see, but the ground wire, instead of being actually with a proper ring terminal or something, all they did is just they put it here and they pushed it behind. So that's all they did. Push it behind, they closed the screw on it, and that's all it is. Now, this can work, this can fall in 2 weeks, this can get sparks. The thing is, this is not the right way. To do a job, you should do it properly. There's a terminal ring, the factory one comes with a terminal ring, so you should do the same thing. Then we come across a lot of shortcuts, a lot of people do halfway, and this is what we always say, when you pay show premium for a professional installer, you get quality. When you look based on prices, you get things like that might last, might not, but you can definitely know that this is not a person who has any knowledge of installing a system. To get proper systems installed, you can always contact us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.